So this is what I like when you deal with people who just specialize in one car. Okay, so I'm looking at the refrigerant charge, and if you see there's several different refrigerant charges, because on this year, make, model vehicle, they had different options with engines, where it was built and everything like that. On this, I mean, they give so many specifications. You guys can stop and look and read at this. They give you, I mean, look at the blower motor. How many watts? What is the amount of refrigerant flow? I mean, not refrigerant, but airflow that goes through that thing. I mean, they give the specifications that an engineer would need to know to work on one of these vehicles. Let's look at the front of this book so you know what it is. There it is. Check this out. Now, you won't see American manufacturers give you this stuff. This is just off the chart, man. I mean, check this out. This is what we get in commercial and refrigeration. These kind of stats right here is what I'm used to doing. And when you're in school and you're taking commercial refrigeration, this is the kind of stuff that you would get when you're at that level. And I mean, here in America, we got a can of AC Pro with a little green section on it to fill up cars. I mean, this is just, I always love these books, these old books. And then we get into conversions. Okay, so I got what I need, and I could go on from here. Copper tubing and aluminum fins. Yeah. 2 rows gives you the fin count. Yeah, that's what we need. All right, guys, I'm gonna get back to this vehicle and charge her up. Remember, this is the 3rd video, and it's been retrofitted before, and I showed you the contaminated refrigerant in the refrigerant analyzer.